All right, good morning, everybody. Today we are at Isla Tropicale, picking up some people for a tour way up there. So those people all are coming off the ship, and then right there you ask who you're booked with, and all the local guys are right there. So these are two of our guys right here. You see, that's
William.
right here. All right, so I got my people right here. Here's Brett and his wife, right? Okay. Just making sure. All right, we're walking towards our car, and we'll take you to today's journey as we're going to the Sloth Park. And there's all kinds of souvenirs you could buy: T-shirts, uh, magnets, everything you can think of, and of course the beautiful viewpoint. Where if you're coming in Cox and Hole, that's where you're docking. If you're coming at Isla Tropical, it's a different port where I was at this morning. All right, so we made it to the Monkey and Sloth Park. I'm at the Monkey and Sloth Park right now with the couple. They're inside. They're doing the tours. Today is a jam-packed day because there's four ships in port, and so there's a lot of people coming here to do zip line, ATVs, the Sloth Park. I'm gonna take you inside the store just so you can see a little bit. Souvenirs, there's clothes, there's magnets, there's hats. You could actually buy some food here, get some coffee, and so it's a pretty cool spot. It's actually this is where our main activity location is here. We do all our slots and zip line and the ATV park right here at Victor Bolden. So we bring our guests through here, and once we come outside here, thank you, bro. Then they are taken with the guide here all the way inside the park. All right, so we are now in West End. And at West End, the stop that we do is the chocolate factory. We're about to go inside the chocolate factory. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of what they do here, what they teach you here. All right, they make it. Buenas, buenas. I get my little parking pass here. Yeah, no. All right, so we're up on the second floor now, and this is where they actually teach you how they make the chocolate. And so they sit you down here and they give you a quick presentation. Sometimes you get to go inside the kitchen and see how they make it. See, there's a family in there, kind of learning how they do it. Did you try it yet? It's good? All right. Yeah, the chili one's is interesting. It's sweet. Which was that one that you just tried? Yeah, that's with coffee. That's pretty good. All right, and one of our last stops is at the Roatan Rum Company. You see right behind me. Just go inside so you guys can see it. So usually here, you guys get to do some free samples of the rum cake. Hi. And it's a little packed today. And if you guys done tours with us, you probably know Alan. This is for me the highlight of this particular spot. You got a beautiful, beautiful viewpoint. West End. That is West End Beach.